My name is Mr. Gbenro Dr. Ayodeji. I'm a teacher and also a parent. First parent that is first child educator. They are the first child role model, and so therefore they have an important role to play in protecting a child from drug abuse. Now they can do that by ensuring that they do proper monitoring and supervision. Secondly, they should also ensure that they are the best friends of their child. And thirdly, they should ensure that they set rules and standards that has consequences based on that. Now, what they can do is that number one, they should use teachable moments. Teachable moments like TV shows, like drama, like stories. They should teach them using those things are teachable moments. To their films that they watch, the movies they watch, they can use to encourage them and to teach them on that. Then secondly, they should help them. They should be friendly with them and should also ask them, be open with them, have open conversation with them. Then by asking open-ended questions, not questions that require yes or no, but by asking open-ended questions. Thank you.
My name is Mrs. Godwin Mercy, a Chief Superintendent of Narcotics, National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Oyo State Command. We have drug-free club established in some of the secondary schools to engage students, to intimate them about the dangers and drug abuse and how it affects their brain, which also brings about low academic performance. And so this drug-free club established in some of the secondary schools helps them to know the effects of drug abuse, of which as NDLEA personnel, we also go to this school to monitor the activities of these students. I talked about rehabilitation. Drug abuse can destroy the brain, of course, it can destroy anyone's future. But the most important thing is we say students are advised to stay clear from anyone involved in drug abuse and stay clear from the above mentioned substances like cocaine, marijuana, heroin, ice, and so on and so forth.
My name is Adeyefe. I'm from Methodist Senior Grammar School. So the question before me was that what do I think addiction was before coming to this program? Before coming to this program, I thought addiction was like an obsession, when you're obsessed with something. But after coming here, after learning about the brain, I learned that the brain, what causes addiction is excess release of dopamine, and it causes, you will not even know why, you just feel the pleasure to be taking a substance over and over again. You will not be able to drop it. Thank you.
I'm Femi Abiola and I'm from Coast. Today I have learned about dopamine, which occurs in the brain and affects the mindset and the brain in such a way that it makes one addicted when overstimulated in the brain. The dopamine, when overstimulated, causes the dopamine spike, which allows an individual to feel complete if he does not reach a certain amount of a particular dosage or usage of a particular thing.
My name is Ogunmola Grace. I'm from Orefelua College. Before I came for this gathering, I thought addiction was just a simple thing, getting addicted to something or doing something more often that can not be controlled. But now, I now have more knowledge of it, that it is a complex form. It's used with brain, and addiction can damage brain, can damage even your physical life, and can damage your physical life, and it is a lot more from just getting addicted to something. If you get too much addicted, it affects your brain. There are some parts of brains that can be affected. According to what I was being taught, according to what my expectation was, a lot of students spoke about it, and it gave me more learn about it, and I have more broad learning about what addiction was.
My name is Gokunro Mokeoni. I'm from Kolaba Grammar School. The role of a parent to prevent them children from having being addicted to drugs. Number one is parents should create time for their children. They should create love. They should have time to talk with them.
monitor them, monitor the type of friends they are keeping, and some other things. Then, you as a parent should, at the early stage of the life, the children should be well informed about the effects of drugs. So thank you.